So I have my wood laid out. This is probably going to be the top. So I laid it out like I want it. I think I'll have no issues when I put the template on there. And I put saran wrap on this table. It's the flattest thing I could find to clamp everything down on. And keep the glue from sticking on the table is saran wrap. And I'm going to put some other pieces up here. They're going to be wrapped and hold everything down tight. So right now I'm just going to put glue on the edges of all of them. And what I got to spread my glue is a rubber brush like this. I want to get excessive with it, but I want it to make sure that it gets all covered. Okay, that looks good on that one. So now I'll do this one. I don't want it running down the edge. I'm going to have to sand that off if I do. But before I lay it down there, I'll take a rag and wipe it off. I could use water to clean it off, but they say it lets it soak into the wood and then you have trouble getting it out when it comes sanding time. That's going to be the bottom anyway. Ain't going to make much difference. They won't be seen. For right now, I'll just see if I can stack those two together so I can get glue on the other edge here. Okay, make a mess here, knock my glue over. I got saran wrap laying on top here. I'm going to take these and clamp these down flat to this table. I hope. This table, I may need to do some modifying on this table before long to make everything work the way I want it to. That will also keep rust from getting on the wood. Okay, those are going to be clamped down this way. But I've got to take my lone clamps. And I'm going to go this way so I'm not bumping into them, I hope. But try to stay out of the way so the camera can pick everything I'm doing up here. There, that's got to do it. Just get everything snug. And I see glue squeeze out there. That's a good thing. It means the glue's gotten a good saturation, I guess you'd call it. Get all the clamps tightened. Okay, yeah, I see squeeze out on all of them. So that looks good. And we'll, any lower high spots, I'll just end up having to take out with a sander. But this will get me hopefully a flat spot on the back to glue the other one to, because the other one, other boards, I'll be doing the same thing with them. And then I'll be gluing them together sandwich. Lamination, I guess you would call it. So thanks for watching this segment. I probably won't video doing the other boards. No use repeating the same thing twice. And after that, we'll go to the next step. Catch you later. Bye, y'all.